Okay, so we had an accordion aluminized metal 4-inch tube under the house. It was about 16 feet long, and as we look inside it here, you can see how much of an obstruction it had. A lot of caked up lint over about 4 years. And now when we look at the vent, you can see the veins, or the vents here on this are wide open. And previously, with all the clogging, this upper one was just basically down like this. This one was halfway down, and we had about 80 degrees coming out, and now you can see that it's around 100 degrees, 110. So we've got much better airflow. Okay, here's the 20-foot long hose that we have underneath this house. You can see over there, that's where the hose exits the house. And over here, that's where the hose comes over the garage, where the light beam is. There's a garage over there. The hose comes down, comes around this 90-degree turn, but it's a gentle sloping curve, and then it goes up and out. And the suspicion is that there's quite a bit of debris inside this flex hose that's about 20 feet long, and that's what's causing the blockage. This is the flame now that I have the tube hooked up to the outside wall, so you can see how well the flame is flickering, and it just went out. Okay, this is with the dryer exhaust disconnected from the inside wall. The dryer exhaust is attached to the dryer, and this gives an idea how the flame is going and how much air it has and how it's able to flow. So in just a second, I'm going to hook up the dryer vent